Whew. What's up, everybody? Made it down to this small creek that was stocked in the fall. It's a cold one out here today. As you guys can see, it is snowing. Hopefully we're gonna catch ourselves some trout. Stay tuned, it should be a good episode. If you guys like this video, hit that thumbs up button. Also, if you aren't already subscribed to the Eastern PA Fishing YouTube channel, why don't you do that right now? Whew. Oh man, it is a beautiful winter day. So as you guys can see, half this creek is frozen. So I don't know how good the fishing is gonna be. Frozen half of this creek is actually the deeper half of this creek. I might be fishing this too fast. When it is cold like this, you wanna fish very, very slow. Oh man, it's right on top of that slush. There we go. Drop it right down. Sometimes you just gotta leave your lure out there, wait for something to grab it. Just completely dead stick it. Could not imagine how cold that water is. But hopefully we're gonna catch something. Beautiful day out here, but honestly, not the best fishing weather. I think we're gonna do a couple more casts here and then move upstream. All right, last cast at this spot. I don't think we're gonna get anything here. Ah man, that was a terrible cast as well. Man, fingers crossed that we can catch something here today. Definitely not the most ideal fishing day, but either way, it is definitely a super picturesque scene when it comes to, like, you know, winter fishing. I'm just happy I got to come out here and go fishing today. It's absolutely beautiful. The roads weren't too bad. It wasn't a bad drive up here. Alrighty, we made it to a spot where I have a little bit of confidence that we may catch a fish. Can't really say for sure it's gonna happen. Hope there is something out there for us today. Man, I'm telling you guys, I do not like the cold very much. But when else are you gonna see something as beautiful as this? Unfortunately, looks like we're not gonna be fishing at this spot here because the creek's completely frozen. Oh dear. I guess on to the next spot. Might be one of the last couple spots of the day. Fished quite a few holes. Got some decent nature footage, I guess. Fishing is tough. Definitely not the time of year for numbers. Hopefully I don't end up falling on my face here. Oh, one fish is all I need. One fish. Is it possible? Oh man. Quite a bit of traveling today. This might be the last spot. Hopefully we can make some magic happen. Looking for a fish. And that's definitely all ice that I was just walking on. Gotta be a little more careful. Come on, let me catch something. There's got to be something out here for us.